जीत गया।
नहीं
Hello everyone, तो हम पहुंच गए हैं Havelock Islands and we are currently staying in Coral Reef Resort and this is our room. Let's check it out. So entrance में ये है dressing area. This is the cupboard. There is a good place to keep your stuff. This is the bathroom where we have the shower area, wash basin and the toilet area. Then coming out, here are some food items. Also, there is a mini bar here in the small refrigerator. But everything that is provided here in the eatables and the drinks is chargeable, and they will charge extra only if we consume them. So coming here, there is this TV, and this is the bed. There is AC, fan, and the beautiful lights here. Also, that telephone that is kept there is very cute and a very new thing. Also, the architecture which is in the room is completely wooden, which is giving it a very nice vibe. And let's check it out. There is this table chair arrangement on the inside. Also, there is a balcony. This balcony is opening into this garden, and also there is a swimming pool area there in front. There is also a cute sitting arrangement here, and also they provide this hanger अपने कपड़ों के लिए. Also swimming pool के यहाँ पे timings हैं, which is from 9 AM morning to 4:30 in the afternoon, evening, and then again after 1 hour it gets open. एंड उसके बाद में 9-9:30 बजे तक शाम तक खुला रहता है. तो या वी कैन एंजॉय इट इन द इवनिंग एज वेल एंड इट्स अ नाइस स्पेशियस रूम. And we are heading out to check out the private beach of the resort, and also there are some fun activities available here which we'll also explore. This brings us to the end of this video. We post videos of our travel journeys and hotel reviews. Please do like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.